Let's assume I get paid for correcting text, and I don't want to work with cents or even part of cents, small numbers in case of the cash. So I want to round the number of characters I checked in the text, how many characters there was. I want to round it so my income will be rounded as well based on that. So let's assume I want to round to the nearest multiply of 200s. In standard Excel rounding, when we go to the middle, so for 200 the middle is 100, we are start to going up, rounding up. It means, for example, when we use MROUND function to round the nearest multiply of 200, it means for the number 2345 we are going up because we pass the threshold, the middle of 2300, and we going down. In the case of number 2499, we are going down. Why? Because we haven't reached this middle point. But when we reach this middle point, in this example is exactly 2500, we are going up, rounding up. And it's important, we just have to reach this point, this middle, and we are going up. But when we didn't reach this middle point, we are still going down. So let's say it's even for me and for my customer. But sometimes there are situations I want always round down or always round up. So let's assume rounding down in this case will be a little bit nicer for my customers, and rounding up, it means it will be nicer for me. I will have bigger pay. So how we can do it in Excel? To round down, always round down, we can use floor function. We talking still about nearest multiplied by down. So when we have the number, we pass the halfway, but we are still going down. And here we also going down. Even when we are near, almost reach the point of the next multiply, we are still going down. Now, even if the difference is just a small fraction of integer, the nearest possible number, the smallest possible number for Excel, we will still go down. When we reach nearest multiply, then this is our base, and we will still go to this base until we reach next base, next multiply of 200s. And when going up, always up, we need sync function. So we give her number and significance, so multiply, and still 200. So when we goes past our next multiply, we are going always up, always up, up, always up. Just a small fraction past the nearest multiply, and we are going up. And it's really important. Of course, with those functions, the 200 multiplies is example multiply. We can change it to 500. We can even use decimal places for this. So let's say 1.5. We can also do it, but we did it on the simple example of whole numbers.